Hello, children. Welcome back to the online class of English. Today we will continue with your English literature book. Chapter number 5, The Samurai Warrior and the Tea Master. It's a picture story based on the samurai warrior and the tea master. Samurais were the militarians of the pre-modern Japan. In this chapter, we will read a story about a person who overcome all his difficulties and find solutions to his problems by his confidence. Now, proceeding towards the chapter, we will begin with the warm-up. Look at the pictures. Here are clues. You have to fill in the blanks with these clues. I'll read the picture clues for you. Number 1, bullet train. Number 2, kimono, Mount Fuji, samurai, kendo, sushi. You have to fill these words in the blanks provided. Now, proceeding with the reading of the chapter. Many centuries ago in Japan, there was a warrior community known as the samurais. The samurais were the master of their mind and body and skillful swordsmen. Read the story of one such samurai, Lord Yamanouchi. Lord Yamanouchi was a wise man and respectable lord at the emperor's court. A tea master worked in the service of Lord Yamanouchi. I am pleased with your work. I give you the title and rank of a samurai warrior. You will now wear the samurai clothes. Thank you, my lord. In this picture, we see that Lord Yamanouchi was a wise man and a tea master worked in his service. Lord Yamanouchi was pleased by his work and gave him the title of samurai. The Japanese tea ceremony is a graceful ritual of preparing tea. The utensils, the sitting arrangement for both the guests and the host, the steps of preparing, serving, and drinking tea are all predefined. Here we see that the Japanese tea ceremony is a formal and public traditional occasion which people celebrate together, and ritual is a ceremony that consists of series of actions performed. For example, we see wedding ceremony. In wedding ceremony, there are too much rituals which performed in the ceremony. In the same way, in the tea ceremony, there are many rituals which are performed, including the utensils, sitting arrangement, and the steps of preparing tea are all predefined. Predefined means which are defined in the advance. Once Lord Yamanouchi and the tea master went on business to the great city of Edo. One evening, the tea master and his friends were taking a stroll. Taking a stroll means walking easily, leisurely, means tehelna. Suddenly, they come face to face with a samurai warrior. The tea master stepped into the drain on the side to let him pass. When they were strolling, what happened? A samurai warrior came in front of the tea master and the tea master let him pass. Now, what does the samurai warrior say? He says, what kind of samurai warrior would step into the drain to let another warrior pass? He sure is an impostor. Impostor means a person who is pretending to be someone who he is not. Means not a warrior and he is pretending to be a warrior. Picture, who are you and what rank do you hold? I am a tea master and I am in the service of Lord Yamanouchi. What? A tea master wearing a samurai dress? I challenge you to a duel. He who wears the robes of a samurai must fight like a samurai. Sir, the middle of the street is no place for a duel. We will inform you of the time and place. Duel is a formal fight with weapons which takes between two people. And robes is a long loose outer garment which the samurais wear. Don't worry, we will give him money and ask him to leave. No, This will be shame to my family and Lord Yamanouchi as well. I have one day and one night. I will learn to it. If he doesn't agree, we will seek Lord Yamanouchi's help. Lord, please teach me how to fight like a samurai warrior. I have one day and one night to learn. I surely will, but first prepare a cup of tea for me the way you always do. Excellent. You don't need to learn to fight. The way you make tea with confidence and peace of mind is the way you will face the samurai warrior tomorrow. The next day, the tea master did exactly what Lord Yamunauchi asked him to do. He looks so confident. I think I was strict. He is a samurai warrior indeed. Now the tea master goes confidently in front of the samurai warrior. What the samurai warrior thinks? He thinks that he had been tricked, means fooled, because he was looking very confident. Now the samurai warrior says, I am sorry if I was rude to you. You truly are a samurai warrior. I do not wish to fight with you. Now the samurai warrior feels sorry and says that he didn't want to fight with the tea master because he looked confident and he came in front of the warrior with peace of mind and confidence. In this way, the samurai warrior was impressed with him and he didn't want to have a fight with the tea master. Hope you enjoyed the story and understood it. If you are facing any problem, you are free to ask me. Okay, bye bye for this.